Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today it is a very overcast and rainy day. So in between showers, we are gonna head down to the garden and I'm gonna try to start cleaning it up because it feels so good out here. It's nice and cool. It's perfect. It's exactly the type of weather I like working in when I have to be outside. So let's head down to the garden. We'll go ahead and get some more of whatever we can find for preserving, and then the rest we'll start cutting down. Well, I got all the tomatoes out. Now I've got all this row of peppers, and then I've got more tomatoes on the end. So I'm gonna just continue cleaning it up and see what I can get. I'm saving both my green and my red tomatoes, whatever looks good, and of course the peppers. The peppers still have a little bit more time. I'm not gonna pull those out yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick what needs to be picked and save the rest for a later harvest. All right, friends, so I am done with the tomatoes. I've pulled out every single tomato that I have. All that's left now is the peppers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the tomato harvest I have now and take it inside because it's already starting to sprinkle and I can't get this camera wet. So we're gonna go ahead and head inside and call it a night, and I'll bring you all back tomorrow when I finish cleaning this up and harvesting all my peppers. So I'll see you in the morning. All right, friends, so we're back down here in the garden, what's left of my garden bed, and all I have left here is peppers. So we're gonna go ahead and go through and harvest as much of the peppers as we can and hopefully do something with them in the next couple days. And then I'm gonna continue to let these go until our first frost, and then I will go ahead and pull the plants, and that will be it for my 2023 garden. So let me go ahead and go through and pick as many peppers as I can, and we'll take our harvest inside. So first things first is I have 4 cayenne pepper plants, and I've been reading a lot about cayenne peppers and the benefits of cayenne pepper, so I definitely want to pull this out and utilize as much as I can to go ahead and dehydrate and then turn into cayenne powder to throw into my smoothies and different things to utilize the health benefits that are in them. So let me go ahead and start picking apart these cayenne pepper plants. These are what you're looking for cayenne peppers. Last year I did phenomenal with my cayenne peppers. This year not so much, but these are still really good cayenne peppers that I'm getting, and we're gonna get them all. Went ahead and picked some Anaheim chilies. These are gonna be delicious for breakfast, making some chili ramas, and that's what this is gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in my basket, and we are gonna call it a night because that's enough that I have to do for at least a day, and then I'll come back out and pick some more peppers to can and preserve. So let's head inside. So when you let your jalapenos go too long, they turn red. And it's kind of cute that they're red and green. So what I'm gonna do this year for Christmas gifts is I'm gonna make some cowboy candy with the red and green jalapenos. So red and green Christmas, great gift to give to friends and family. So I'm gonna do that with these lovely jalapenos. Every night while I'm out here, I'm letting the chicks come out and roam around when the other ladies have gone to bed, so that they can get out and get used to being out here before I fully let them out here all by themselves for the whole day. So until now, they have supervised playtime. Their pen used to be full of grass, and they have demolished it. There is no grass in there, it's only dirt. So the only snacks that they get is the food that we give them, and if they find an occasional bug or whatever, they get that too. So letting them out here is important, that they can get some grass and some other vegetation or bugs that they may find for at least 45 minutes before it's time for bed. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.